Good afternoon, Mukund. Good afternoon, Mukund. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. After that, we'll start. Is it okay? How is your father?
He's fine, sir.
He's fine. First, I will teach you one elephant trap. After that, one game. After that, we'll go to puzzles. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Still nobody has joined. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. After that, we'll. Which standard you are studying now? Hello, Mukund.
I'm studying in third standard, sir.
Third standard. Okay. Which school?
Yes, sir.
Which school? Okay.
Bethesda International School.
Bethesda International School. Can you start? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tatpai Gurve Namah. Good afternoon, Mukund. Good afternoon, Sujay. Good afternoon, Sujan. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Okay. First one opening trap ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. After that we'll go to puzzles. This called elephant trap. E4, E5. Now D4. E into D4. Queen into D4. Knight C6. Queen A4. Knight Queen E7. Knight C3. Knight C3. Knight F6. Bishop G4. Bishop G5. D5. Now castle. Pawn to pawn. Knight into pawn. Queen to knight. Rook here check. King kills. And queen to queen. Queen is gone. This is called elephant trap. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Did you get?
Got it, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. One game also. After that we'll go to puzzles.
Yes, sir.
One game played. I am black and my opponent is white. It is played in 2009. E4, G5, D3, G3, G6.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sai Narayan. One game played in 2009. My game and Kumaran versus me. Bishop B2, B7. Non black. I am black and my opponent is white. Ne2, NC6. NF6, NH3. Now D5. ED5, Knight D5. Knight on mistake ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Knight C2 mistake. Then castle. E4, pawn to pawn, pawn to pawn. Bishop G4. F3, Bishop F4. Bishop F5. ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Side please don't do that. I'm showing.
Yes, sir.
Knight E3. Queen A4, F5, Queen, King F2. Now I will sacrifice the queen to checkmate black. White, checkmate white. Knight D3. D3, knight D4, pawn to pawn. Now checkmate. I checkmated the opponent. This called this one game. Can we go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Or you
sir.
want to see one more type? White Prince Tertian Gambit. If you want to see Tertian Gambit. D5, NC3, NF3. This is called Tertian Gambit. NF6. Now D3. Now it is Tertian Gambit. King kills queen into queen. This is called Tertian Gambit. Did you get it?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can we move to one move or two moves? Which one you want? One move or two moves?
Sir, first one more, then we'll go to two more, sir.
Okay, okay. White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೇನೋ ಸುಜನ್? ಇವತ್ತು
Sir.
White to play.
Sir, rook to B7.
Rook to D7, then king can go to A8. Only one move.
Sir, rook to B7.
Rook to B7 is also wrong. Rook to B7 is also
Okay.
Rook to B7, king will kill the rook. Only one.
Sir, rook to C8.
No, then king will kill the rook. Rook to C8, then king will kill the rook. Where should rook move? Today, 2-3 kids have not joined. Raghav has not joined. Kaustubh has not joined.
Only I, Mukunda, Surya, and Sujan.
Hi, Narayan.
Only
3 of them have not joined. 3 of them have not joined.
only 3 are joined. One is I,
3 of them have.
Mukunda, Surya, Sujan.
Yes. White to play. You know, every day, 2 to Saturday, 2
Four.
Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, 40. White to play. Can you tell? Can you tell, Sharon?
Oh,
No, that I should not mark like that. White to play.
sorry, sir.
Okay. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, you only tell, sir.
Or A7. Now bishop is
Sir, or A7. Or A7.
or A7 is correct. Did you get it?
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes, R7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. White to play in
What
checkmate
is
black.
this?
White to play in checkmate black in two moves. One move, sorry, one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
White
RE7, sir.
correct. Very good, Mukund. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, what if king moves to what if king moves to G6?
G6, then soldier is there. White soldier is there.
Yes.
King cannot move to G8 because bishop is there. Did you get it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
White
Tally.
black in one move. No, that is wrong. Then king can move to E8. E8. Only one move.
BH5, sir.
BH5 is correct. Mukund is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here.
Okay.
White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
NB5.
NB5, then king can go to B6. That is, then king.
Oh.
King can move to B6. Only one move. White to play. Knight movement. Where should knight move? NB5, then king can go to B6. Correct. ND5 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct, Sainaran. Very good. Very good. Now king can't come. How is the class going on?
Nice, sir.
Nice.
Soldier can go, then queen will come.
Now knight, king can't come here. Soldier can't kill it. Knight is there. White to play and checkmate back in one move. Oh, that is wrong. That is wrong. It is pawn movement. Correct. Sainaran is correct. A3 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here or here. Did you get it, Sainaran? Sujan, correct. Very good. White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move. White to play. Then rook will kill the knight. Rook will kill the knight. Rook will kill the knight. Check will be there. That is wrong. That is wrong.
G4, sir.
Then N4 is correct. N5 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Bishop can't kill it because it's absolute pin. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
White to play and checkmate black in two moves. One move, sorry.
G5.
G5, then knight F5, then king can come here. What is I? King can come here. That is wrong. G5, then king can kill the pawn. G5 is also wrong. G5 is also wrong. Oh, correct. N F7 is correct. Now king can't come here, come here. Arnab, why you joined late? Arnab, why you joined late? Can you, hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, not.
On the lights, okay.
Connecting the audio.
Checkmate black in one.
It's okay.
Arun.
White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
UC6, sir.
Q6, correct. Q6. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Checkmate.
Checkmate. King can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, your video is on.
Yes, I should turn the video. White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
C6.
To C6, then bishop will come to C6. That is wrong. Only one move.
Sir, I can't see you, sir.
Can you see me now?
Sir, pawn. Sir,
Yes, sir, now I can see you.
Okay. What is the answer? Can you tell?
sir, can I tell?
Yes, tell me. Arnab,
Sir, sir, Arya, sir.
Arya,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, pawn to C5.
Pawn to C5 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here.
Sir, why is Q C6 not correct?
Q C6 will also. Q C6, then bishop can come to B6.
Okay, sir.
Last problem it was different also. Last problem Q C6 is correct because bishop can't come here, rook has pinned it. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
White to play in Raghav entered. Raghav entered. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Can you go to two moves after this problem?
Sir, knight to D7.
Knight to D7.
Knight to D7.
Correct. Can we move to two moves or you want one move only? Hello? You have to speak.
You can go to 2 moves, sir.
We can go to two moves. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
What is that?
Sir, when some move is to be done, sir, the participants' names are coming, sir.
Where in the video chat?
Illa, sir. Chessboard alli when to indicate some move, ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, sir.
ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅದು ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಣೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಆರೋ ಬರುವಾಗ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್?
Sir, it's not clearing, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's not clearing, sir.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್?
ಆರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬಟನ್ ಸರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್? Raghav, can you tell? Raghav? No, that is wrong. Then king rook will kill that.
Sir?
Yes, that is wrong. That is wrong.
Q G8, sir.
Rook G8 is also wrong. Then rook will kill the queen. Now every Saturday 2 o'clock to 2:40 classes will be every Saturday and Sunday. Is it okay?
Sir, 2 o'clock to
2:40. Okay.
2 to 2:40. Okay, sir.
White to play.
I'm turning on iPad.
Kaushik.
Sir, I have connected Pitron headphone. I connected Pitron headphone to iPad.
White to play in checkmate black in two moves. Raghav ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೋ? Raghav?
QF7.
2F8 is correct.
sir.
2F8. No, rook F8. Checkmate. Can you tell? One move.
NF8. NF8.
NG7 is correct. NG7 is correct. King can't come.
Sir, I told that I.
NG7 is correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Sir, NF8.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
NF8 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ರುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. NG7 correct. King can't come here or here.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in two moves. Queen movement. Queen movement. Queen sacrifice.
Queen C6.
Queen C6. Okay. Into C6.
Sir, knight
Knight
C6.
C6. Knight
Knight
C6.
C6. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. Hey, Arnab, don't ask for that because I cannot give permission to everybody. Only one you will have a chance to present. It is not possible. Aita. Arnab, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು na? Arnab, hello.
हाँ सर
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen.
QG.
QG8.
QG7.
QG8.
Louis H8 is correct. Side island is correct. Now pawn to bishop.
सर now rook to h8 sir.
Sir,
Rook H8.
Who?
Sir,
Sir,
I told.
QG8 try ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Two
QG8.
G8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then king will kill the queen. That is not possible.
Sir, ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
H8 ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Now rook is forced to kill. Bishop is forced to kill. So R8.
Yes sir.
First is queen to h8 and rook to f8.
Okay. Correct.
Sorry.
White to play in checkmate.
Oh.
2 moves.
Sir, pawn to
Night
A6.
movement. Night
Sir, pawn to
movement.
A6.
Side island is correct. Very good side island. Correct. Now pawn to right. Pawn to knight.
Sir, now pawn to pawn, sir. Pawn to pawn checkmate.
Pawn to pawn checkmate. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Pawn to pawn check.
Correct. King can't come here or here.
Oh yeah. Just king is giving
Today I taught you first my game and the elephant trap and Turchian gambit trap, and then we went to problems. I am recording the entire thing. You can watch after the thing.
Sir, Persian gambit ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೆ ಕಣ. ಹೌದು, ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ ಸರ್.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
NE7.
Sir, QG7. Sir, QG7.
No.
Sir, I know, sir. Sir, knight to G7.
Knight to G7, then queen will kill the knight.
NH6.
NH6 is correct. NH6 is correct. So queen is forced to kill. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, queen to D8.
Queen to D8 is correct.
QD8.
Correct.
Yes sir.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Raghav, ಯಾಕೋ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ಯಾ?
Sir, I don't know what just happened.
ಮರ್ತೋಯ್ತಾ?
I don't know what just happened. Something wrong. I need to.
ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮರ್ತದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ 2 2 ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
RH6.
RH6 correct. So pawn to king moves here. What will you do?
What if king cuts?
Sir, queen E6. Sir, queen E6.
Suppose king kills the queen, king kills the rook. King,
Sir, it can't kill, sir.
soldier kills the rook. Soldier kills the rook.
Bishop will kill the soldier, sir.
No.
QG6.
QG6 correct.
G6.
No.
Sir, what if queen? Sir, what if queen cuts? What if king kills the queen, sir?
King cannot kill the queen because bishop soldier is supporting it. Soldier is supporting it. supporting it. King,
I got.
but white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Right. Cat.
Sir, E5. Sir, Q E5.
QF4.
Q4, then king will escape. King will escape.
Sir, Q E5.
Q5, then knight will kill the queen. Kill the queen.
Sir, Q.
Soldier movement. Soldier movement.
G5.
Moment.
Sir, G5.
G5.
Sir,
G5.
pawn G5.
E5 tappan. D5 correct. Now king kills, one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, queen to D8.
QF4.
No, one move. One move checkmate.
QF4.
Sir, F4. Sir,
QF4.
Sir,
Q4 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Did you get it, Shairaj?
Sir, what if Q D8, sir?
Q D8. King will come here, but it is not possible in 2 moves.
Yes, sir.
And queen can give check call, then black will win. What is that?
The time is 2:23.
ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop.
Bishop G7.
Sir, bishop to G7. Bishop to G7.
Bishop to G7.
King into G7.
Sir, bishop to
R3.
Sir, bishop to
RH7. RH7.
RH7 is correct.
Sir, bishop to sir.
RH7 correct.
F8, sir. Sir, if
Bishop
you do
to-
bishop to F8.
Bishop to F8, then it will not be possible. Then knight will come here. It will escape. Rook kills, then king will move to G8. It's not possible. Gotaita?
Yes, sir.
Bishop G7 is correct. That's why it is correct. Bishop G7 is correct. Now king kills bishop, then rook H7. King can't come here or here.
ಸರ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡೋವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಲ್ ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಆಡಿದ್ದು ನಿತ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂತ
ನಿತಿಲನ್ ಓಕೆ ನಿತಿಲನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, rook to E8.
Sir, rook to E8.
Rook to E8, then knight will kill. Rook, that's correct. One more checkmate. Can you tell?
ಸರ್ QF8.
Sir, QF8.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir, but if we put to bishop F8,
Then it will not be checkmate at all. Check is there. No check is there. The knight will kill the queen. Knight will kill the queen.
I am playing Harshad Mehta.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
Sir, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Knight kills. Now queen D8. Queen F8.
King kills the queen, then
White to
bishop
play in
will.
checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, F6, sir, QF6.
Queen F6. Then pawn will kill the queen.
Sir, G6. Sir, H6.
H6, okay. Then king has to kill. What will you do?
Sir, pawn to G5.
Pawn to G5. Sir, pawn to G5.
Pawn to G4, then king will kill the pawn. Only one move.
BG7.
Knight to Knight to
Sir,
F7.
knight to F7. Knight to F7.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Check. Suppose king move. Soldier kills the queen. Soldier kills the queen.
Sir.
Both the
Sir.
actions.
Sir, knight to F7.
Knight to F7 is wrong. Then king can go to F4. Only one move.
Sir, NE6.
NE6 is correct. Both the actions you should have thought about it. Now king can't come here or here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Cloudy today.
White to play. White to play.
Sir, QD6. Sir, QD6. QD6.
Then king will kill the queen.
Sir, QD6.
QD6 is wrong. Q.
Sir, QE. Sir, QE4.
QE4.
QD7. QD7.
No,
Sir,
no.
pawn to C4.
No. Queen moment. Queen moment. Queen moment. Queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice.
Sir, going to D5.
Queen to D5. Correct.
Going to D5.
Now king kills. Now one more checkmate.
Sir, no. Bishop to G2. Bishop to G2.
C4.
Sir,
C4.
Bishop to G2 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Or here. What that?
Everywhere.
Yes, king can't come here or here. Or here.
Sir, what if king moves to E6?
E6, then bishop, rook is there. Rook is giving check. What that, Sai Narayan? Did you get it, Sai Narayan?
Okay. What is this?
White to play in
That is sure.
two moves.
Sir,
Pawn G7. Pawn
Queen moment.
QG7, sir.
Sir, QH6. Sir, QH5. QH5. Sir, QH5.
QH5, then black will give escape.
Q6. Q6.
Now,
QC8.
queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice.
QC8, sir.
QC8 ಯಾರು
QC8.
ಮುಕುಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
Sir,
very good.
QF6.
QC8
sir.
ಯಾರು Sai Narayan?
Sir, pawn to G7. Pawn to G7 checkmate.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Even we will get another queen.
Yes. No, it is checkmate already. Checkmate already. White to play and checkmate black in two moves.
sir, QC.
Into D7.
QC7 is correct. Who told that?
QC7, Nan, sir. Raghav, sir.
Raghav.
Sai
Correct.
Narayan, sir.
Now pawn. Now
Sai Narayan. Sai Narayan and Raghav.
yeah, Raghav. One move. No one. What will do? One move checkmate.
Sir,
kills.
pawn to rook. Sir, pawn to rook.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir, even bishop can come to.
No, bishop can't come. Then soldier will kill them.
If bishop comes to B7, then we will get an.
White to play and checkmate black in one move. Two moves. Two moves.
Sir, queen to H6.
Queen to H6. Okay. क्या रहते दो? King.
Sir, Arya, sir.
Arya. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
G7.
G7 is correct. Correct. Very good, Raghav. Correct. Now king can't come here.
Remaining time is.
White to play and checkmate black in two moves.
Remaining time is 9 minutes. Remaining time is 9 minutes.
6 minutes. No, 6 minutes. 6.5 minutes.
6 minutes.
White to play.
6 minutes.
White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
RH1.
Sir, knight to F1.
RH1 is correct. Knight into H1. King bishop into H1. Now one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, knight to F1.
Knight to F1. Correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Black in 2 moves. I will send the up.
Oh,
Sir, Q B5.
Q B5, then queen will kill the queen. That is wrong.
sir, QA5.
Q E5.
QA5.
B3. Sir, pawn to B3.
Pawn to B3 is correct. Pawn to B3 is correct. Who told that? Mukund.
Pawn to B3.
Mukund, sir.
Correct. Now bishop king into pawn, king into knight.
Sir, bishop to C1.
Bishop to C1 is correct. Now king can't come here or here.
Or queen to A5. No.
White to play. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. 2 moves.
Sir, bishop B2. Bishop
Sir,
B2.
pawn to F4. Pawn
Pawn
to
to
F4.
F4 is correct. Pawn to F4 is correct. Now soldier is forced to kill. Now bishop B2. Did you get it, Arnav? Arnav, did you get it?
Yes, sir. Sir, I told that. Pawn to
Sai Narayana.
F4.
Sai Narayana, correct.
Yes, sir.
Now king can't come. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
2 moves.
Sir, Q. No, sir, bishop into bishop.
Bishop into bishop is wrong. Knight into. Then no.
Sir,
Sir, queen to H5.
Q
Queen
G5.
to H5.
QG5 is correct. QG5 is correct.
Queen to H5.
Bishop to G5.
yes, sir. Bishop to G5.
Bishop to G5 correct. First move queen knight move queen move ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First move knight bishop into ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ knight into bishop ಚೆಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ರಾಘವ್?
Yes, sir.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ 2 ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. First move queen G5 bishop to G5 then bishop into bishop. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir, rook G6. Sir,
No, queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice.
Sir, queen to rook, sir. Queen to knight, sir. Sir, queen to knight.
H5.
Queen to knight.
H5.
Queen G5 is correct. Queen G5. Now pawn is forced to kill. Now can one more checkmate?
Sir, pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn, correct. Now it is checkmate. Now king can't come here or here. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves. Queen movement.
Queen movement.
Sir, Q D7. Sir, Q
No,
D7.
no. Queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice.
Queen chapter.
Sir, then queen
Die,
to
sir.
sir, queen to D7.
No, G5. is correct. Queen to G5 is correct. Now knight kills. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sai Narayan.
White to
Sir, bishop
Sir,
F.
bishop to F6. Bishop to
Bishop to
F6.
H6. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, but if queen kills,
What is the first queen G5? Knight is forced to kill.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, pawn to h4.
No. Queen G4. Bishop kills. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
How pawn h4? Pawn
Sir,
h4.
bishop to f4.
Bishop to F4. Can I chant mantra? 1 minute is remaining. Can I chant mantra?
Yes, sir.
ನಮಸ್ತನಂತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮೂರ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ನಾಮ್ನೆ ಪುರುಷ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ದಾರಣಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. How was the class?
Sir, very nice, sir. Very nice.
Super nice.
Thank you.
Super duper nice, sir.
Tomorrow also 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Have a
Bye.
nice day, sir.
Thank you, Kana. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Thank
day,
you.
sir.
Thank you, Kana. Thank you.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ 2 o'clock.
ನಾಳೆ 2 o'clock ಈ ಕಣ.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
ಆಯ್ತು.
House.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
Kana.
sir.
Thank you, Raghu. Bye.